Come spend a day with me as a 30-year-old physician assistant in California. I woke up a little earlier than usual at 6 a.m. because my wife had set 20 alarms and they kept going off. Anyways, once I woke up, I drank some juice and then started doing my personal hygiene stuff in the mornings. Put a bunch of creams on because, I just turned 30 and I'm pushing unk status, so I want to take care of my skin and look youthful. Anyways, so after that, I use some hair stuff, do my hair, trying to look good, trying to smell good. And then it was time to feed Potato. Potato is our older cat. She's lovely. She's only 5 years old. And then I have to make the bed so my wife's not mad at me when she comes home from work. Then it's time for Pepper. Pepper is a kitten, 5 months old. Then it's me driving to work. Here I get to my office. I get some coffee here because they got a fancy Nespresso machine. And then it's time to do some pre-clinic prep. I'm seeing 10 patients today, and the diagnosis ranged from cervical radiculopathy, lumbar radiculopathy. If you couldn't tell by those diagnoses, I work at a neurosurgery clinic. I saw a couple of brain tumors, and then it was time for a walk to the hospital and straight to the doctor's lounge where all this stuff is free for providers. So I grabbed some stuff and ate that stuff, and then I was done seeing all 10 of my patients. So it was time to drive to my next job. Before I did that, I always leave about an hour in between so I could take a nice nap. The nap is always the highlight of my day, bro. Anyways, got to the hospital, got some more coffee, and then it was time to get ready for the case. We had a femur rotting, and it went really well. The surgeon that I worked with is amazing and very fast. Then I was off to my dinner break. I went to Subway and got me an. I had a chicken sandwich, and I figured I'd show you guys a mukbang moment. And then the dinner was over, so it was time to go back, and we did a small bowel restriction. Ended up being a very challenging case and took a long time. Then it was finally over, and I drove home at 11. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.